In the heart of the 21st century, a revolution was brewing in the realm of information technology. The digital age had reached its zenith, yet the thirst for faster, more efficient processing was insatiable. Enter the age of quantum computing. The pioneers of this new frontier were a group of ambitious scientists, led by the visionary Paul Benioff. They gathered at the forefront of research in the United States, driven by a common goal: to surpass the limitations of classical computers and unlock the potential of quantum bits, or qubits. The context was ripe for innovation. Classical computers, relying on binary code, zeros and ones, were reaching the limits of their speed and capacity. The scientists theorized that quantum computers, which could use qubits to process information in a superposition of states, could solve complex problems exponentially faster than their classical counterparts. The crisis came in the form of skepticism and doubt. Many in the scientific community dismissed quantum computing as mere theoretical musings, unattainable with current technology. The naysayers claimed it was a fool's errand, a waste of resources that would lead to no tangible benefits. Undeterred, Benioff and his team pressed on, their resolve only strengthened by the skepticism. They spent years fine-tuning their research, developing algorithms and protocols to manipulate qubits and unlock their quantum potential. Their breakthrough came in the early 2030s, with the creation of the first functional quantum computer. Dubbed Qubit Prime, this machine was a marvel of engineering, capable of performing calculations that would take a classical computer millennia to complete in a matter of seconds. The consequence of their work was profound. Quantum computing opened up new avenues of research in fields as diverse as cryptography, medicine, and artificial intelligence. The implications were far-reaching, promising solutions to problems once thought insurmountable. The age of quantum computing had dawned, ushering in a new era of technological prowess. The story of Paul Benioff and his team serves as a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. Their work continues to inspire a new generation of scientists, who carry the torch of discovery into the uncharted territories of the quantum realm.